Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bits per Homeo. In this video, we are going to discuss a appendix and its homeopathic therapeutics. Inflammation of the appendix is called as appendicitis. There are many more causes which cause to the appendicitis. Mainly, there are four types of appendicitis. One, acute appendicitis, and second one, subacute appendicitis, and the third one, recurrent appendicitis, and the fourth one, chronic appendicitis. In this, the acute appendicitis is the most common for the acute surgical condition. Mostly, the acute appendicitis may occur at all stages, but commonly it is occurred in the middle-aged persons, but not less in children. The etiology and the pathogenesis we will discuss in the later videos. Now coming to the clinical features of the appendicitis. Why I was started with clinical features? Because the homeopathic therapeutics and its characteristics mostly related with the clinical features of the appendicitis. The first symptom of the appendicitis you must remember is pain. Usually the pain is present in all the patients in the appendicitis. But where is the pain? You must be known. Initially the typical pain is started at the umbilical region. It is like dull pain, or it started at the lower epigastric region below the umbilical. Where the pain at the umbilical or lower epigastric region, the pain may be severe or dull. Gradually the pain from the umbilical or epigastric region, it forwards down to the right lower quadrant, and the pain is localized at the right lower quadrant. The process of pain from the umbilical or lower epigastric region to the right lower quadrant, it takes about 1 to 12 hours for that localization. This is not a fixed pain. In some patients, the pain in appendicitis begins in the right lower quadrant and remains there only. This is the first basic symptom when a patient with the appendicitis. After the first symptom pain, the second symptom is anorexia. Nearly most of the appendicitis patients having the anorexia. If we question the patient of appendicitis, when we ask, are you not eating on the before few days, the patient of appendicitis says yes. The third symptom is nausea. Most of the patients of appendicitis have this nausea symptom. Mostly in children and teenagers it is frequently occurs, but when coming to the adults it is totally opposite. The patient vomits once or twice in a day. The vomiting occurs after the pain starts. When a patient came with the appendicitis with condition, we must check the three symptoms. One is typically pain, and the vomiting, and the next one is temperature. These three symptoms in this condition is called Murphy's triad. And the fourth symptom is constipation. After the abdominal pain, the vomiting occurs. Before the onset of abdominal pain, the constipation will be seen. Few patients tells that after the defecation, the abdominal pain will relieve. In the most of the diagnosed patients with the appendicitis, the sequence of symptoms appears in the first symptom is anorexia, and followed by the abdominal pain, and followed by the nausea, and then coming to vomiting. Coming to the physical signs, these physical signs has great value in the homeopathic therapeutic indication. First, the temperature. In appendicitis, the temperature will increase. Usually, the temperature up to the 99 degrees or 100 Fahrenheit. It means 39 degrees Celsius. The next physical sign is pulse rate. Usually, in the appendicitis condition, the pulse rate should be normal or slightly elevated. If the pulse rate is highly elevated, then we should be diagnosed with the peritonitis, because if the appendicitis ruptures and infected with the spreading through the peritonitis, in this condition the pulse rate will be elevated more than 100 per minute. Now coming to the homeopathic therapeutic indication relating to these symptoms and signs. In next video, I will provide all the tests should performed when an appendicitis condition is diagnosed. A best chosen homeopathic remedy is belladonna. Why belladonna? Because it helps in early stages of inflammation of appendicitis, and in belladonna the pain is very sensitive to touch and it is associated with the fever, and the slightest change also the pain will increases. The pain is aggravated with the touch, coughing and sneezing. In belladonna there is burning and intense heat in the abdomen, and there is a abdomen is distended, and the keynote is pain comes suddenly and goes suddenly. And the another remedy which has large scope in the appendicitis is R-Salb. Think about the R-Salb when the appendicitis patient with the severe vomitings associated with the pain. In the patient history having ailments like eating the bad spoiled foods and raw vegetables and like cold water, this leads to the one of the obstruction of the lumen and cause the appendicitis. In this condition, the R-Salb will help in lot. There is great exhaustion after the slightest exertion, there is burning pains, there is a lot of thirst and burning relieved by heat, and there is a great anguish and restlessness and which changes the place continuously. There is a fear of death, because what happens if it occurs more, and great fear with cold sweat. Because of the vomitings, there is a abdomen is swollen and there is a flatulence. The pain is aggravated while coughing. This image relates the whole symptoms of the appendicitis, which relates the arsenic album. The another homeopathic best remedy is phosphorus. The patient feels empty in the abdomen and there is a burning between the shoulders, and while passing the stools there is a rumbling in the abdomen and the abdomen distended, and while passing the stools there is a much fluid is passed through the stools. There is a intense tenderness over the McBurney's point and great burning in the stomach, and there is a nausea and vomiting, and during the burning of the stomach he drinks a lot of the cold water until the burning of the stomach gets cool. And the most key point in this is regurgitation and the crumbling on the abdomen. Iris Tenax, it is also well known specific remedy for appendicitis. When the pain in the ileocecal region, it is a good remedy indication for that appendicitis. There are many more other homeopathic remedies for well indicated in the appendicitis: Carbovage, Calicare, Laxis, Restox. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe and share.